Welcome. If you've ever wanted to spice up your chats on Messenger with a splash of personality, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send emojis on Messenger with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned texter or just getting started, sending emojis is a fun and easy way to express yourself. Let's get started. First things first, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. You'll recognize it by the familiar blue chat bubble icon. Once you're in, you'll see your recent conversations right on the home screen. Next, select the chat where you want to send an emoji. You can either scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a friend or group. Just type in the name, tap on it, and the chat will open. Now look at the bottom of your screen, right where you usually type your messages. You'll see a smiley face icon. This is the emoji icon. Go ahead and tap it. Instantly, a whole world of emojis will pop up for you to explore. Scroll through the emoji panel to find the perfect one for your mood or message. There are tons of options, from classic smileys and hearts to animals, food, and even seasonal emojis. Tap on the emoji you want to use, and it will appear in your message box. If you want to send more than one emoji, just keep tapping. You can mix and match as many as you like. When you're happy with your selection, simply hit the send button, the blue arrow on the right, and your emoji-filled message will be on its way. That's all there is to it. Sending emojis on Messenger is quick, easy, and adds a little extra fun to your conversations. Try it out and see how your friends react to your new emoji skills. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.